Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to discuss the properties of hydrides. First of all, you all know that what are the hydrides? Properties of hydrides. You all know that what are the hydrides? What are the hydrides? Are when group 15 elements react with hydrogen. They forms hydrides. Okay. So, what are the general properties are present in these hydrides? First of all, we will discuss the boiling point. Boiling point is the temperature point on which liquid starts converging into the vapor. When we increase the temperature, boiling value of the boiling point increases from PS3 to BiS3. Increases from PS3 to BiS3. Boiling point of ammonia is higher than those of boiling point of ammonia is high. BP of ammonia is high with comparison to phosphine and bismuthane. With comparison to the phosphine and arsine. They have their low boiling point. Low BP boiling point. Ammonia has the high boiling point. The two regions are responsible for this. That why the hydrogen bonding and van der Waals force of attraction. Van der Waals force of attraction and hydrogen bonding is the reason responsible for this hydrogen bonding and van der Waals force. Van der Waals force are the two regions which are responsible for this. We have a discussion regarding this, that in the ammonia nitrogen has the high electronegativity, and this kind of hydrogen bonding is present in this ammonia. We know that 3 hydrogen atoms are attached there on the central nitrogen atom, and electronegativity of nitrogen is high. So in this condition we have that this nitrogen H, another hydrogen we have there. This hydrogen is attached with the nitrogen, and that is the another ammonia molecule. This ammonia molecule further attached with the another hydrogen atom of another ammonia molecule. You know that in this condition, when we compare the electronegativity of hydrogen and nitrogen, low and high. Electronegativity of nitrogen is high. That is how when the hydrogen atom is present between the two higher electronegative atoms, the formation of hydrogen bond takes place. The value of nitrogen's electronegativity is 3.0 and for hydrogen it is 1. So it is a 2.1. So the value of electronegativity of nitrogen is high due to the electronegativity high with comparison to the nitrogen. The phosphine, arsine, bismuthine, they don't form the hydrogen bonds. Abnormally, the high boiling point is ammonia in this order. The order of hydrogen bonding is absent in following like phosphine, arsine, bismuthine. These hydrides don't have the hydrogen bond. Don't have the hydrogen bond forming tendency. Hydrogen bond forming tendencies. Hydrogen bond forming tendency. PH3, AHS3, BIH3, SBH3 do not have the hydrogen bond forming tendency in this particular case. So what is the order there? From phosphine to bismuthine, we compare phosphine, thereafter arsine, then ammonia, then another comparison SbH3, BiH3. This comparison we have BiH3. From phosphine to bismuthane, the molecular mass increases. From phosphine to bismuthane, when we move, the molecular mass increases. Molecular mass increases. Value of the molecular mass will increases. Van der Waals force of attraction increase and the boiling point increases regularly from PH3 to Bi3. Van der Waals force increases. Van der Waals force increases. So the boiling point will also increases from the phosphine to bismuthane. That is the one factor which we have there. Boiling point of hydrides is in this particular order. Now after the boiling point we come to the melting point. Just see what conclusion is present in the case of melting point of this particular thing which we have there. In the case of melting point, first of all, what is the meaning of melting point is? Melting point means solid converts into the liquid. That is the second point, melting point. Melting point. Solid converts into the liquid on that point, that is known as a melting point. Phosphine, arsine, stibulene and ammonia. These points which we have 139.5 Kelvin in case of arsine, 156.7 Kelvin in case of stibulene, 185 Kelvin, and in case of ammonia 195.2 Kelvin. These are the values because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, hydrogen bonding, because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, ammonia has highest melting point. Ammonia has highest melting point. Ammonia has highest melting point in this case. So that is the second property. We will continue with its properties in our next video. Thank you.